All right, Salesforce development. This is awesome. So you're either a Salesforce admin exploring to become a developer, or you are already a developer. Maybe you're a web developer or a mobile app developer. You're looking into branching into Salesforce. You've come to the right place. So in this YouTube channel, Salesforce Training Tutorials, you can search it by searching Salesforce Training Tutorials on YouTube, or you can search zone.io, like so, and click on the channel. So I always recommend, if you are totally brand new to Salesforce, you have never used the Salesforce platform, it would be better if you go through the admin path first, because this is the building blocks, the foundation that you can step on as you are gearing towards development. So all the foundational mindset, so to speak, it comes through the Salesforce admin path. How the platform is structured, everything you need to know about Salesforce platform. You can go through the admin playlists first. We have admin beginner, intermediate, advanced. If you're not interested into getting certified, you can skip this part and then head into the developer beginner, and then developer intermediate, and even App Exchange app development. This is where you will learn on how you can create an app, a Salesforce app, and deploy it onto the App Exchange so people can download it either for free or a paid license service, where the bling bling, the money is. If you're a developer wanting to tap into the billion dollars marketplace on the App Exchange, well, this is the place to go. But before you can jump into here, you have to build the foundation first, right? All right. So there you have it. We have hundreds of videos for development. We have covered everything, like Apex, Visual Force, Pages, Lightning, components, security, App Exchange development, you name it, it's all covered here. But most of it are coming from the Trailhead platform, the Trailhead playground. I am going to start making videos on real world application development, as I've experienced developing payment platform for the Salesforce ecosystem, integration with, well, everything, like all kinds of other platforms integration, and I would like to share that as well. So if you've gone through that, feel free to aim to get certified platform developer 1, and then platform developer 2 if you're into it, and then application architect, like I did through the certification of all of that. And then if you're ready to land a job, a real world job, hook up with the Zone.io platform, where I'm connecting you, the Salesforce talent, with exciting careers in the Salesforce ecosystems. As you can know, there are so many enterprise organizations to small businesses that are using Salesforce right now. You name it, government, huge organizations, hospitals, schools, universities, non-profit organizations, small businesses, you know, the list goes on, from Amazon and Adidas and whatever, Louis Vuitton, you name it, and they're all on Salesforce. So being a Salesforce developer will certainly open up a whole exciting career opportunities, a never-ending one, because there are too many Salesforce projects and not enough developers at the moment. But with what I'm doing, I'm trying to convert thousands and thousands of you into very skilled developer. All right, so go through those hundreds of videos on development training, and then hook up with the Zone.io platform. And I wish you all the best. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.